Hi, I'm Stephanie Terrizzi from the laboratory of Laurent Brossay in the Department of Molecular Microbiology and Immunology at Brown University. Today we will show you a procedure for the generation of KLRG1 tetramers. We use this procedure in our laboratory to study KLRG1 coherent interactions. Let's get started.
First, inoculate 4 500 milliliter flasks of TB buffer containing appropriate antibiotics with bacteria expressing the KLRG1 plasmid construct and grow at 37 degrees Celsius with shaking. When the OD reaches 0.6 angstroms at 600 nanometers, induce expression via the T7 promoter with the addition of 0.4 molar IPTG and incubate the culture for an additional 4 hours shaking at 37 degrees Celsius. Following the 4-hour incubation, transfer the bacteria to centrifuge tubes and spin the cultures down for 20 minutes at 3000 RPM and 4 degrees Celsius. If necessary, pellets can be frozen at -80 degrees Celsius at this point for use at a later time. Resuspend the harvested cells in 30 milliliters of resuspension buffer. Next, pool bacterial resuspensions up to a 60 milliliter volume in a polypropylene beaker. If necessary, bring the total volume up to 60 milliliters with extra TE buffer, pH 8, and stir the mixture at half speed on a hot plate stirrer. While the pooled resuspension is stirring, add the following solutions dropwise to the mixture: lysozyme, magnesium chloride, DNase 1, Triton X100, and finally DTT.